Whether you're a professional handyman, your job is always a surprise. This is why you should get a tool lineup that can handle everything the job site throws at you. So now, let's see the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Don't think it's a folding knife for adventures. It's actually a folding painter's tool specially built for pros and remodelers. This tool folds safely away into the handle and prevents all the jabs and stabs while reaching into your pocket, being your trusty scraper. The heavy-duty stainless steel blade works great for scraping surfaces, cleaning out cracks, and cleaning both rollers and mini rollers. On top of that, a safety lock mechanism ensures you don't meet any accidental issues on and off the job. Want to know another cool part? It's also available with a putty knife to extend the possibilities. In case you want to achieve burn-free finishes on edges, contours, or inside curves, you better go with this Ridgid R4 840 sander. It boasts a 6-ampere induction motor to provide you with huge belt speed and spindle RPM so it can sand your tough materials as if they are soft as a cheesecake. In addition, the quick-release belt tensioning allows you quickly to change the blades to maintain ultimate productivity. The unique part of this tool is the tubular frame design that delivers optimum strength and low vibration. You can also adjust the table between 0 and 45 degrees, so angle cuts are way easier. It's obvious that you get tired of using large and bulky screwdrivers. So, meet the Bosch IXO. It has everything you want from a screwdriver, but in an extremely compact size. Don't you believe it? Well, first and foremost, it's so handy and lightweight, so you don't need to go the extra mile to use it around your home, even at the workshop. And the convenient trigger can be operated easily, and the intuitive forward-reverse switch is so comfortable to reach. Moreover, the coolest part hits here. It has 2 lighting modes for your different needs. Despite its size, it performs well. When an angle grinder seems cumbersome to deal with small cutting jobs, this Ryobi compact cutoff tool comes in handy. First, it is fitted with a durable 76mm cutting wheel to get quick and easy access into tight spaces where a regular grinder can't go. The lightweight design and cozy appearance make it ideal for one-handed use. Even overhead operations will tire you a little. No matter how hard the opponents are, metal, plastic, concrete, or anyone, this cutoff tool simply wins the battle without any complications. No time to explain, this is the KWB pivoting bit holder with a swivel-mounted ball head that easily gets attached to any standard-size drill. This bit holder installs screws with a portable electric drilling machine in confined spaces where it's impossible to reach by a regular drill. It simply swivels up to 20 degrees for better positioning. With this pivoting bit holder, you don't have to go the extra mile to screw something in the right manner. The bit is fixed by an additional snap ring to prevent dropouts. All your screwing hassles are on vacation. What do you think? So, the next time you take on any faucet installations and sink straining project in hand, make sure you have the Ridgid Easy Change Faucet tool by your side. It has a unique cubed insert that provides common under-sink UT sizes. So, whether you need to install or remove tab nuts, this faucet changing tool will be your best buddy. Most importantly, the short body design and ergonomic gripping facilities make it ideal for clearance in all tight spaces under the sink. Wait, you suddenly face some annoying tight shutoff valves. No worries, you can wrench them too. Guys who used to play with laser guns in childhood will surely recall those days again when they used this Stabila lax on their job site. It's a great solution for interior construction professionals who strive for accurate laser lines with optimum visibility. Thanks to its innovative Stabila green beam technology, you'll get razor-sharp, extremely bright, long laser lines that make the project even more efficient and productive. Not just that, it offers a range of up to 30 meters, so you can use it simultaneously to plumb line and level big floors, long walls, and ceilings. This thing you see here is the C-Jet Tool multi-purpose scissor. Before starting cutting, you need to simply hold the handle like you're ready to cut and press slightly to get it unlocked. This scissor allows you to adjust its range between small and wide forms so you can use it from job to job. And the big angled design between the blade and handles of the scissors makes the cutting steady and labor-saving. With the serrated curved blade, you can cut cardboard, artificial grass, rubber pad, copper sheet, and many, many more you can think of. Hold on, there's more. This scissor also allows you to cut wires up to 2.5 millimeters. Cool, isn't it? Don't worry, you no longer have to bear big bulky ladders on your shoulder because this screw fix will fix everything. Well, it's a heavy-duty telescopic ladder specially designed for professional contractors or surveyors. You can easily maneuver it at the place you want, extend it to the desired height, and climb. This ladder has an aerospace-grade aluminum construction and tough glass-reinforced nylon couplings. It maintains durability and stability, so you can rely on it blindly. The best thing about this ladder is the comfortable angled rungs that make climbing more fun and flexible. Just store it, carry it, and climb onto it. Putting your essential tools up on the wall seems normal until they fall and break. Maybe these Fisher Duotech drywall anchors will answer all those concerns. These tiny guys are strong enough, easy to use, and also work in concrete. Plus, you can use multiple size screws of various types confidently. And the specialty of these drywall anchors is worthy enough they simply save your total installing time. What else could anyone ask from it? So, that was the list of the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.